In this video, you will learn how to unclog your paper shredder. Sometimes while using your paper shredder, you might find that some papers might get clogged up and you might not be able to use the provided machine functions to forward or rewind the paper to get it unclogged. Sometimes you might also use your fingers to pull off the stuck paper, and that doesn't always seem to work. So what happens when you have exhausted all these options? In this next step, we are going to open up our paper shredder. This will facilitate the unclogging of the paper shredder from the inner workings of the machine. First, ensure that you've unplugged your machine. Next, undo all your screws. And once that is done, the first step is by plucking the papers by just using your fingers. Anything within your reach, just pull it apart. And this is the first step of cleaning your paper shredder. Now we are going to introduce tools, a pair of tongs, and also a round nose pliers. You can also use a flat screwdriver or a wire. Anything that gets the paper debris off the inner mechanism of the paper shredder. So this is done by gently pinching and lifting off the debris and cleaning it bit by bit. And you might also need to completely lift off that mechanism so that you can access the bottom part of the paper, of the mechanism. And using the same tools, you're going to repeat the same process, ensuring that you've cleaned every bit of that part. As you can see now, I am removing bits of paper from that plastic brush. And also you're going to turn it over on the other end, and using your flat screwdriver or a wire, you're going to just push those papers out. And once everything is clean, what remains now is to put back the components into the shell. And remember to replace everything as you found it. And once you're done with that, what remains now is to replace the lid. But before you've replaced the lid, you will remember also to remove the pieces of paper that are in the lid. And then once you're done with that, of course, now replace the screws, and that's how you clean your paper shredder. That's all for today in this yet another informative video on how to clean and unclog your paper shredder. If you enjoyed the video and you learned something, please leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. I appreciate your time and your support. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.